Hey guys, this is Ms. Clark again, coming to help you out with this demographic momentum page. I've had a lot of questions about how to do this third page down here on calculating country one's natural increase rate and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that today. It shouldn't take very long. So the first thing I'm going to do is make this smaller so we can see both pages at the same time. All right, not quite that small. And then we're going to move over so we can see the next page. All right, so what you're going to do for this section here is you're going to use this information right here. So you're going to take the birth rates, so this box right here. So you're going to take this box and this box. So your birth rates and your death rates for each of the different areas for each of these different questions, okay? Okay, so to calculate that last page, you're going to use the shaded boxes that I have shaded here, okay? The first group is your crude birth rates, right? Because it's 0 to 19. And the last group is your crude death rates, because these are the years that they die. So I've done generation 7 for each of them, okay? And notice here, there's nothing in the 60 to 80. So I did the birth rates here and then the 40 to 59, because eventually these people would be the ones dying and these people will be the younger version. And then you have this final one down here. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take this one, 0 and 7, for example, and you're going to do the natural increase rate. And remember that the calculation for that is crude birth rate minus crude death rate divided by 10. All right, so if we go by this, we have 0 minus 7. All right, so for this one, it is 0 minus 7 equals negative 7. Okay, then we're going to divide that by 10, and we get negative 0.7. All right, so then the next thing says, what is the doubling time? Well, if we do the math on this, we're going to calculate the doubling time. So I'm going to make this bigger now. So we're going to calculate the doubling time. So we have 70, right? 70 divided by the natural increase rate of negative 0.7. So we can get out our calculator. And we know that it's always going to be 70 first, and then divided by 0.7. And we want to make that negative. All right. So we get a negative number. And anytime there's a negative number for doubling time, it means we would have to go back in time to make that work. So instead of saying that, we're just going to say population in decline. Just like we did with the previous assignment. So then you're going to go to number 2. All right, and number 2 says 39 and 12. So we'll come back down here and we'll do 39 minus 12 equals 27. Okay, and then we're going to divide that by 10, which equals 2.7. So their natural increase rate for country 2 is 2.7. Then we'll do the doubling time, 70 divided by 2.7. So if you can't do that off the top of your head or you don't want to, you can pull up your calculator. So 70 divided by 2.7 equals basically 26. We'll round it. Means that this country is going to double the population after 26 years. Okay. Then you continue through country 3, 4, 5, and 6 the same way as we did here. So again, this is the crude birth rate minus crude death rate divided by 10 is the natural increase rate. And 70 divided by the natural increase rate equals the doubling time. Okay. A negative doubling time is always population in decline. And a 0 doubling time means the population is at ZPG and is stable. All right. So you should have a little bit of each of these throughout this entire thing. So calculate 1, and then 2, and then you do the rest all the way down. Okay. If you have any more questions, just let me know. I hope this was helpful for you. And have a great day, evening, morning, whichever time you're looking at this. Bye.